Alrighty, good afternoon. Finally getting back on this project, and as you can see, made a lot of progress. We've got the frame put in for the exhaust fan, and it's 16 by 16 here and here for the opening. It has a little flange that goes around the outside of here that we're actually going to lag bolt in. So we're going to use lag bolts. These are 3-inch bolts, and the lag head this side here, the little square, keeps from spinning in the hole. We're going to drill from the inside out, but these are going to be on the outside of the building. And they're actually going to come through, and the studs will be coming out on the inside. And then once we mark our spots on the fan, we're going to put it on, put this in like this here, put our washer on, and then we're going to bolt it down from the inside. So again, this will be on the outside of the building, nice and flush. The little square part right here, when I drill the hole, will just barely fit in there, so it'll keep this from spinning as I turn this and tighten it from the inside. Saves me a big step of having somebody on the outside, which from up there to outside down is about 13, 15 foot. So it saves me from having to have somebody outside trying to hold it, or having a Phillips head or something on the outside. So that's going to save one less little step right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, it mounts just like this. So you can see, this is how it's going to mount. So we're going to go in, we're going to mark the tabs where these go. And I'm going to put it in the hole here. Like this. And nice and flushed up just how we like it. And I'm going to take the marker and I'm going to come in here and mark these spots. And then I'm going to drill through here to the outside. And then, like I said, I'm going to come back and put the lag bolts through from the outside in, so the stud ends will be sticking through here. We'll slide the fan on like that, and then we'll bolt from the inside. And once I get all that in, I'm going to go ahead and caulk that in and seal it all up. And man, I tell you what, finally get some ventilation up in this thing. It's getting ridiculous in here. Took a week off, did a little bit of traveling, back on the project. Thank you. Here we go. All right, we have a hole for a vent fan now. Hello, hello in there. I see you, vent fan. You're fixing to go in this hole right here. All right, let's get this thing blowing some cold air. It's hot in there. Woo. Alrighty, you can see we got the fan installed up here. Got it all lag bolted in, looking beautiful. Vented to the outside perfectly. You see we got the power cord right now. I just got it run down, kind of hardwired in after a second into a power cord. But the next step of this project, what I want to do, as I just unplugged it, probably easier to hear me anyway. So now that I have that done, I have it hardwired in. Now we're going to put the inline thermostat. And what I'm going to do, for right now, I'm going to have this thermostat. I'm going to set it up high so it gets the accurate temperature up high in the greenhouse, because it's a lot cooler down here lower. It's going to be a lot warmer up here. So I'll put the thermostat rather high up around the vent, but not too close where it'll actually make this feel cooler than it is. And so somewhere around in this area right in here, we're going to wire in line the thermostat. Eventually I'm going to do some rewiring. I'm going to have it on a switch where I can manually turn this on and off, and or I can have the vent fan do it for me when it reaches a certain temperature. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I'm going to do a little video on how I wire this in, but you got your little temperature thing here, what temperature you want it to be at, and you set the little dial and blah blah blah. So next line we're going to go ahead and get this thermostat wired in. Got the AC, man, it already feels better. I turn that thing on here, nice little breeze going. Plants are going to love it. Install just smooth as butter, just like I'd done one before. But we all know better than that. So we got it installed, and one more step of the project out of the way. Thank y'all.